Look at the magnetic field intensity right here. It's holding steady now. The separation looks clean. That adjustment seems to have cleared it right up. Look at that separation.
Workers harvest the fully plated copper cathodes, lifting them from the cells using an overhead monorail system.
Dry weight is reading 5.2 kilograms.
Noted. The moisture content is within tolerance for this batch.
The recovered silver is weighed and logged as a separate byproduct credit against the refinery's overall material balance.
Look at the concentrate grade here.
That's a good recovery for the recycle stream.
Purity confirmed, 999.9.
Noted. Approved for allocated account.
The assay shows good yield, but palladium is down. We can do $19 a pound for the lot.
$19.50 and we have a deal.
Deal. As you can see on the screen, our process transforms e-waste into high-purity metals. This gold bar represents the recovery from just 1 ton of motherboards.